This is a 2006 Starcraft Aurora deck board. Comes with trailer, spare tire, does have a swing tongue. It's a tandem axle trailer. Step to the stern of the boat. Does have a nice swim platform. Easy walk through. Comes with bimini and covers. Powered by a 4.3 liter Volvo Penta. Captain's chair with bolster seat. Nice loungers up front with a table. Large swim platform off the bow with ladder. You have side access, snap-out carpeting, in-floor storage as well as large storage under the helm. A lot of seating in the stern of the boat. Get a look at that swim platform. This is 2006 Starcraft Aurora deck boat.